Easy bedtime routine for baby. Set a consistent bedtime. Try to put your baby to bed at the same time every night. A set bedtime helps regulate their internal clock and teaches them when it's time to rest. Peaceful environment. Keep the room calm by dimming the lights, lowering household noise, and making sure the temperature is comfortable. Warm bath or wipe down. A gentle warm bath or even a soft wipe down if you don't bathe daily relaxes your baby's muscles and body. Comfy pajamas and swaddle dress your baby in soft, breathable pajamas and swaddle them if they're still young enough. This creates a sense of security, keeps them warm, and prevents sudden movements from disturbing their sleep. Soothing activities. Quiet bonding moments like reading a short bedtime story, singing lullabies, or turning on white noise can be very comforting. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bedtime feeding, offering milk or breastfeeding before bed, ensures your baby has a full tummy, which often helps them sleep for longer stretches without waking up hungry. Gentle cuddles or massage. Short massage with baby lotion or light cuddling can calm your baby's nerves and give them a sense of closeness. Drowsy but awake. Place your baby in their crib when they are drowsy but not fully asleep. This teaches them to self-soothe and fall asleep on their own, which is an important skill for long-term healthy sleep habits. Keep it short and simple. Bedtime routines don't need to be complicated. A 20 to 30-minute routine with a few consistent steps is enough to prepare your baby for sleep without overstimulating them. Stay consistent. Babies learn best through repetition. Following the same steps every night builds security, reduces bedtime struggles, and helps your little one know exactly what to expect. A calming bedtime routine doesn't have to be complicated. With consistency, love, and a few simple steps, you can help your baby feel secure and sleep more peacefully, making nights easier for both your little one and you. Thanks for watching. Parenting tips and baby care. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more parenting tips.